Very good afternoon, students. Today our topic is curves. Under curves, we will read about open and closed curves and what are polygons. We will also read about what are collinear points. Okay, some important concepts that we had not done in our last class, we will cover it today. Okay, in our last class we read what are curves. What is curve? Curves are the lines that are not straight. Okay, now based on it, we have got two kinds of curves. One is open and one is closed curves. Look at this particular curve. This is a open curve. Why it is called a open curve? Because its end points does not meet. Because its end point does not meet. But look at here, this is a closed curve. This is a closed curve. Here you can see the end points meet. Why it is closed? Because its end points meet. Now a closed curve is again of two types. One is simple closed curve and the other one is not simple closed curve. So let us learn in details about these two curves. Now look at the diagrams over here. Look at the first two diagrams. In these two diagrams, the curves, they does not cross itself. Only the end points meet. So they are called as simple closed curve. But in the next diagram, you can see these both are also closed curves. But you can see and these curve, they cross itself. And here also in this figure also you can see the curve is crossing itself. So this type of curves are called as not simple closed curve. They are not simple closed curves. Now look at these diagrams over here. These first two diagrams you can see they are simple closed curves. They are not overlapping also, means they are not crossing itself. Here these are also simple closed curves which are not crossing itself, but there are some difference. These closed curves are made up of line segments. You can see only line segments are touching each other and forming the shape. And here you can see there are curvy lines, okay, not a straight lines. It is not made up of completely a straight line. So these first two shapes, they are not polygons, but the second two figures you can see they are polygons. Okay, this is what we call it as the difference between polygon and not polygon. So they are simple closed curves, but they are not polygon. They are simple closed curves and a polygon because they are made up of line segments. Now another important concept is collinear points. It's very simple. If you find the points on the same line, then they are considered as collinear points. But if the points does not lie on the same line, then they are called as non-collinear points. So here is the example. You can see A, B, C and D are lying on the same line. So they are called collinear points. Whereas I, J, K, L are non-collinear points because they don't lie on the same line. Now let us do question from exercise 10A. Look at the first question here. Draw the figures in the blank boxes ray BC and PS. So here we will draw a ray and on that we will give 2 points B and C. B to C, so first B then C. Similarly PS, this P and the second one is S. Coming on to the next question, plane S and points A, B and C on it. Suppose this is a plane and the plane name is S and there are 3 points A, B and C. Next question, collinear points G, H, I, J and K. Draw a straight line G, H, I, J, K. So these are all collinear points these are all collinear points. Okay. Now coming on to the next question, that is fill in the blanks. From the word box you can use one word more than once. So dash is dimensionless. So point is dimensionless. Next question, dash and dash have only one dimension. Line and line segment. Line and line segment have only one dimension. Next question, dash has 2 dimensions. A plane has 2 dimensions. Next question, dash points lie on the same line. Collinear points lie on the same points. Dash can be extended indefinitely in both the directions. Line. Dash can be extended indefinitely in all directions. This is plane. Next is one dash can pass through 2 given points. One dash can be passed through 2 given points. That is one line can pass through 2 given points. I hope this part is clear to everybody.